Right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Airtel Money loans in your phone so that when you need a loan at one point, you can go to your phone and get a loan to solve any emergency or any problem that you need money for. And also, I'm going to give you ideas on how you can qualify for Airtel Money loans. Then in the last part of this video, I'm going to tell you on how you can increase on your loan up to the highest amount, of which I think it is 5 million. Now all you have to do is to stick with me in this video, watch this video up to the end, and please don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip, you may skip an important part of it, and you want and watch it up to the end. Now without further ado, let's get started. Right, welcome back to DavTech YouTube channel. In this video, as I say, that I'm going to show you on how you can turn on your Airtel Money loans, and also how you can qualify for Airtel Money loans, then how you can increase on your loans so that you can get a higher amount of loans in future. So I'm going to use this phone just to direct you, and on the screen I'm going to display some part of it on how you can activate your Airtel Money loans. Now, as it is Airtel Money, so we go to your phone and you dial *185#, then you select option which is about loans, that is option 8, that is loans. Then from here we shall see there are very many loan services, of which you have from number 1, which is Wewole, then quick loans. Quick loans, I have a video about quick loans. If you have not watched that video, please go and check that video. It is here that I have pinned up here. Then we have number 3, Kwasa. Also that one I have a video. Please check on all my playlists about loans in this YouTube channel. You're going to get this video. Then let's go Pesa loan. Then we have ATE loan, then KCL, then Kwata Esimu, then Yasako loan. Then we have the last one, which is Gride loan. So all these loans, I would advise you to go and activate them all. Just activate in the way I'm going to show you right in this video. So if you do that and you do the next step that I'm going to show you or to tell you, and the last part of it, then you're going to qualify for loan, and you're going to qualify for a higher amount of loans in Airtel Money. Now for me, this is my new card that I'm going to take you through or to show you on how you can do it. And because it's a demo, I'm going to use any loan service from here, and I want to use the first one, which is Wewole. So you select it. Now when you select, it's going to ask you maybe to enter your PIN, or it's just going to ask you to just accept the terms and conditions. So in these little things, always they give you the terms and conditions, so I would advise you to first read the terms and conditions before you activate. But of course, if you know that you can endure and there are no big terms and conditions, the big thing is only that when you get these loans, you pay them back, and they are regulated by banks in Uganda or banks in your country, because these loan services are only not in my country, but of course it is in most countries with these networks. So you can as well do it, follow it, and get loans. I know you're going to get the loan service. Get it and activate as I am going to show you. Now if you select the terms and condition, which is option 1, then now you're done with that first part, which is to accept these loans terms and conditions, and now you have activated. Now if you activated the first one, you can go and activate all these loan services, so that when this one gives you, the other one may not give you. And there are other loan services that will give you these loans quickly, but others may take some time for them to give you. So I would advise you to activate all these loan services. So this is just a demo that I activated one in this video, but I'm going to activate all these ones, because one will give you now and one will take time to give you. Then also they start giving you in a different percentage. They can start with the lowest, then these other ones may give you just from a higher amount of loan. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about MTN, but today specifically I'm talking about Airtel. Now if you activate, then you're set to done. Now we are going to the next step on how you can qualify for these loan services. So the first one is you must be having active Airtel number, and that is on mobile money. You have to be having, not only having it for calls, for what, no, must be having it and use it for mobile money deposit, withdrawals, buying airtime and data. So if you do that, then you're going to qualify for a loan in a small period of time. So that is all if you're done, if you activate that. Now we go to the last part of it, but before I give you that one, if you're new in my YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button, and also if you're a returning viewer and you've not yet subscribed, please click on the subscription button, like this video, share, and also leave a comment on what you need me to do for you in the next video. Now this is how you're going to qualify for a higher loan amount. The first one is still remains that you continue using your Airtel Money loans for deposit, withdraw, buying airtime and data. Then the other one is whenever you get these loans and pay them back, they keep increasing your loans up to the last point, of which I think it may be 5 million, because these networks, the maximum amount they allow you to have in the network is 5 million. So I think that is all you can get in them, though I have not yet reached there because I don't frequently get from them, because loans are just for emergencies, and if you have money, then you don't need to go for these loans. Just keep it activate so that once you fail, maybe you want money but you have nowhere to get money from, but you have money in your Airtel Money loan service, you go and borrow and solve that problem. So that is how you're going to do that, right? I showed you almost everything that I wanted to show you in this video. The first one was to activate these loan services, then the second one on how you can qualify for these loans, then the last one I've already told you that how you can qualify for higher loan limits. I think that is all for this video. In the next video, I'll be talking about MTN mobile money loan. So if you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, liking this video. Remember, when you like these videos, YouTube will recommend it to many people, and they are going to watch and also do what I have discussed with you in this video. I think we should end up there by today, but of course, like, subscribe, share. Let's meet in the next coming video.